Okay, so this is the video how to do the hair for coarser hair or thicker hair. Okay, so what you're gonna do, if you look forward real quick, you're gonna find their eyebrows and go like this and go all the way across, okay? So section that off. So then they can pull it off to the side, like this, and just section it off. Okay, so you're gonna take this hair, let it fall back down, grab a comb or some brush, part down the middle, and split. Okay, so then you're going to make sure you grab each side separately. So you're gonna hold that section, go to the front and comb through. Make sure you have a flat base. So you're like this, make sure it's completely flat all the way through, and you got everything from your section. And just to be sure you got everything, you can go through with the comb one more time, because I missed some even, to make sure it's straight down the middle. So you pull all this in, and it's straight. So if you have thicker hair like this, you can probably use a color hairband of your own colored hair, like brown or black or blonde. Since Katie has thicker hair, we're gonna use an actual band, so I have some of those clear ones. So like this. Make sure it's tight enough so it's not gonna fall out. Okay, you're gonna, you good? Okay. You can also do another one if you want, but as for the demo video, I'm going to. Okay, so then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the front. You're gonna take this front section here. You're going to flip it over. Take this back section and start just adding some volume. Does not mean you need a lot. Don't take all your hair up there. It's gonna look really bad. Just give it some volume. I'm so sorry, Katie, if that just like killed you. I am so sorry. It kind of hurts a little. And or if you don't have a comb, you can use your fingers and go like this. It may be a little gentler. Like this. You get that, Katie? And like this. So it goes over like this. It adds volume so you do not look bald. So you can comb that through. Then I'm just going to repeat with the other side. Can you grab me 2 black hair ties out of that bin? I used both of them on this one. I didn't think about it. So again, just comb straight back. You want everything to be able to be pulled up nicely into one. Don't tease the ponytail?
Well, you can if you want, but this part is where you want volume. Like, you should have like volume here so that we can see it's around.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay, just make sure it's straight back so you don't. Can I see the ponytails that you grabbed? Okay.
Sorry, there was two back.
Like this. I have not started the video. Oh, shoot. This is in the video. It's okay though. This. Because then when you pull, you can add some volume here. This. I add volume usually at the end, but I mean we can do it now. Because you want to be able to actually see their face. Here. And that actually is a thicker hair tie, so I don't need to do another one. So just go over, and then I won't use the comb for this one. I'll just go like this. To add some volume. You don't want to make it super crazy. You don't need too much volume right there. So. Over. Pull up. So when I go like this, I pull up like this. Then also you can get some volume in there. And then you would hairspray, add bobby pins as needed as well to add volume up here. Again, just pull out as needed. That's all.